What's good YouTube? Demetrius Fairman here and a channel update. I love fitness and I am in love with the process. I am in love with investing in myself, and this is why I'm introducing something new to the channel. Along with fitness, I will be doing some investing tips, things that I do to invest money and hopefully make more money. And there's no better way than putting it out there in front of you guys, because you guys have helped me accomplish a lot of my fitness goals. So I'm saying, why not do the same with my finance goals? So the channel is going to be mixed up even more: fitness, travel, and finances. So if you guys want to learn more, especially about the Jamaica Stock Exchange, tune into my channel and hopefully I'll be on a schedule. So it's a little update, nothing much. And by the way, tell me if you guys like this whole lighting thing, especially this candle. Where is it? This candle in the back. Let me know how it goes, because I'm trying something new. But anyways, respect, and new video coming out soon. You see this little candle in the background? Alright, testing 1 2. What's good YouTube? I tell you man, it's been a long while. Let's go again. Face tracking. I love it. It just goes everywhere with me.